Coming up in this video, I've got a super easy cocktail that you can make at home, you can make in your pubs and bars using Whitley Neill's Blackberry flavoured gin. This is amazing, love it. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. Can't wait, this drink is absolutely amazing. What I want you guys to do, I haven't got a name for it, it's kind of like an apple and blackberry cooler, but that's a bit dull. Come up with your own name. Once you've seen the cocktail, hit me up in the comments below, let me know your suggestions and we'll pick the favourite to go forward into our cocktail book, which you can get if you are a Patreon. And a big shout out as always to my Patreons. We've got Lucy, let's go ladies first, we've got Ben, we've got Mark and we've got Christopher. Thank you so much for your support. Right, let's get into it. We're going to shake this cocktail. Again, we're going gin. Let's go into our lovely highball glass. All my glasses come from Drink Stuff, absolutely amazing. So yeah, lovely sort of crystal glass there, perfect, about sort of 12-14 ounce glass. Anyway, first ingredient, blackberry gin. 50 ml of your blackberry gin. There we go. Love this smell. Oh, I love blackberries. Oh, nothing better than apple and blackberry sort of pie or crumble. Oh, amazing. Talking of apple, there we go. Pressed apple juice, again, supermarket brand, is absolutely fine. Just all I say is make sure you try and get pressed apple juice because it does taste so much better than the concentrate stuff. It's nasty. And that is actually come into contact with apples. So 50 ml of pressed apple juice. There we go. So 50 gin, 50 apple juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. We are going at 15 ml in there. And then a final ingredient just for now, bit of cinnamon syrup. Love this. Just 10 ml if we can open the bottle. There we go. 10 ml of cinnamon syrup. Perfect. Right, all that's left now to do is just ice that up. There is one more ingredient to come. So we're just going to ice that up and then ice the glass up. Loads of ice in there. Pop your tin on. Give it a hard, fast shake. 10-12 seconds. There we go. When that's nicely chilled down. One final ingredient. Some Sprite. Lemonade. I prefer Sprite. So lemon lime soda. 50 ml, and I pour this into the shaker to save it sort of, otherwise it will just float on top and then you've got to stir it again. So 50 ml into my shaker and then just single strain into our highball glass. Love this, love this. And then garnish wise, again, up to you. I've got it, obvious one for this one is sort of apple and obviously blackberry. I've got another frozen blackberry just there. Serve with a straw and bingo, love this. It's kind of like an apple and blackberry cooler, as I say, but give it a name. Give me a name, let me know in the comments below what your sort of suggestions are. We'll pick the best one, pop in our cocktail book. So tasty. Apple and blackberry, oh my word, that is so tasty. Boom. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if you like me, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, ring the bell to get notified every time I set a new video live. And then if you want to become a legend, if you want to become part of my Patreon gang, links in the show notes, exclusive content, all in there. You'll find it in the show notes and in the comments. Crack on, get making that one. This is a delicious. Cheers.